Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have another IKEA product today with us, which is JUTHOLMEN Corner sofa, which is a outdoor sofa. JUTHOLMEN provide a series of freestanding outdoor sofa. The product that we are showing here is the corner section. You can combine the freestanding units together to make or to arrange a outdoor unit based on your requirement. The material used in this outer furniture requires very less maintenance since it is made up of plastic rattan. It looks like natural rattan, but it is more durable for the outdoor use, and it is very easy to clean this outdoor unit. You can use mild soapy solution or simply damp, just wipe it out with a damp cloth. You can add soft and comfortable cushions on top of it to give an elegant look and to make the outdoor life even easier. The outdoor sofa frame is made up of steel and it doesn't require any maintenance. Do like, comment and subscribe for more video like this. See you next time. Thank you.